Namaskar. Mixed reality changes how we view and interact with world as it blurs out the boundaries between what is real and what's virtual. Mixed reality enhances the effect of realness. So, there are so many mixed reality examples, while still quite rare across the industries, promise to genuinely transform processes. It's already started kicking into high gear with its offer of an entirely new hybrid environment. I just congratulate Harran University for this international conference on virtual reality 2021. And I express my gratitude towards Professor Dr. R.C. Sharma and Assistant Professor Dr. Durkan. Thank you so much, sir, for giving us this opportunity to present our paper in this conference. So we all know the students are taught mostly with the books, which represent things in a two dimension. But now this generation Z needs something extra. It needs an extra attention. It needs an extra care because the role of the teacher has changed as a facilitator. And they need technology, that is advanced technology, and they need to learn the things in three dimensions. So we can take help of mixed reality to enhance the learning process, to encourage them to learn in an effective manner. Recently, Microsoft has conducted the research study wherein mixed reality, as in there are tools which has been used mixed reality, and it has a very nice impact in the learning process. They're able to enhance the learning outcome up to 35%. So today we are presenting our present conference paper, which will depict and will help you to understand mixed reality, its use, its meaning, its benefits, and how mixed reality in education we can use, especially for teaching social sciences. So here I am, Dr. Bhavna Chibber, author of this conference paper, and my co-author Rashmi Pandey. We are here to present this. So let us start with what we will be presenting today. We will be discussing about, I'm just sharing the outline of this program, and I will be just shifting it here so that you all can read. So first of all, we will be discussing about the introduction of mixed reality, which I've just shared with you. Then mixed reality in the field of education, mixed reality in social science education, mixed reality in social science domains, and what are the methodologies we have used in this research. Lastly, we will be concluding the session. So let's see, what is mixed reality? Mixed reality is the merge of real and virtual worlds to produce new environments and visualization where physical and digital objects coexist and interact in real time. You know, there are devices which will be there in just on your bedside, which will help you to use this mixed reality in your day-to-day life. As we all know, we have Alexa now. So a very fine day that you will be waking up, and on the right side of your bed there will be one box that will be an imaginary box, but it will contain the things in it. So uh, this is one of the example what we will be using. The mixed reality term was coined by Microsoft when they launched the Microsoft HoloLens in 2016. So it's basically a combination wherein there are three domains you can see here: human, computer, and environment. We are merging everything and then we are getting the mixed reality. Whereas human computer interaction, conventional reality, perception, everything has been mixed and it is there in front of you as in the form of mixed reality. If we elaborate little more, then we can say mixed reality is like a combination of virtual reality. Now, virtual reality puts you in a completely virtual environment but requires specific equipment. Like you must have seen a goggles wherein you are there in that environment, but you need to wear that goggles and you feel that you are a part of that virtual environment. That is called and we are using it in a flight simulation. Now the kids are playing games also with this. And there is an augmented reality which can help you see or display a virtual object in a physical world through the camera of your smartphone, tablet, or even a digital mirror in a shopping center. Snapchat filters, virtual makeup, and furniture fittings are the good example of the augmented reality. So when we combine augmented reality and virtual reality, see these two realities mixed together, mixed reality apps now allow us to manipulate and interact with elements of both the real and the digital world. For example, you can take a virtual box, which I've already shared with you, and there is a game called Games of Thrones. And in that particular game, I believe whosoever is used to who has played this game is able to understand what I'm trying to depict here. So this is the kind of a example which I have shared with you right now, and I've explained you about that how mixed reality is beneficial to us. In a nutshell, mixed reality blends the real world with the virtual one by combining augmented reality and a lesser known concept of augmented virtuality, like in games and where players are merged into a virtual environment. So these are the examples and explanation of mixed reality, how we can define, and now let's see that where we can implement it. So there are few examples of mixed reality. You must have heard of all these uh, tools. Now we are focusing on that how we can take an advantage of mixed reality in the field of education. Microsoft HoloLens, which we have already shared, that was the first tool in 2016. Then we had immersive VR education. Then we have Google Expeditions, virtual reality goggles, virtual reality museum of fine art, Mondly. These are few names or the tools which apply mixed reality to enhance the education and to help the educators. So there are numerous possibilities are there where we can implement this. Now coming on to this, how, that is our topic of our conference, that how this mixed reality in education, its use, benefits, and challenges for the students and educators of social science. Now I invite my co-author, Rashmi, to take this presentation forward. Rashmi, you have to unmute yourself.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Now I will be continuing with this presentation. As you all know, mixed reality is not a new technology, and it has been already explained by earlier speaker that mixed reality is combination of virtual reality and real reality. It has been used in various fields like engineering, medicine, military, manufacturing, psychological treatments, and so many other fields. And in this research paper, we have tried to investigate the method by which mixed reality can be used in teaching students of social science. Teaching social science using mixed reality can be made more understandable and interesting, which can be elaborated by the various examples. Next slide. Okay. Here is the diagram, different layers of the earth can be easily explained to the students using various mixed reality tools and each layer, like each layers of earth, thickness, temperature, components and other factors can be visualized to the students very easily. In the same way, next slide, ma'am. In the same way, various archaeological sites and their three-dimensional explanation can be easily given with the use of mixed reality tools. Next, methodology. The study is exploratory in the nature and fulfill its objectives. Exploratory research, as the name implies, aims only to explore research question, and it not intended to provide final and conclusive solution of the existing problem. For the present study, the researcher has chosen a random sampling method to select the sample of research paper. The total size of sample is 100, in which the graduate and postgraduate students have been taken for the research purpose. And in the last, I would like to conclude the presentation. The research paper look at the mixed reality in the context of social science teaching, which is seen as a theoretical subject. By traditional teaching method, students do not engage themselves much with the subject and their interest is not made. A new approach can be given to the teaching of social science by the use of mixed reality. Therefore, through this paper, the researcher has tried to know the challenges associated with the use of mixed reality in the field of social science teaching from the students of higher education. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rashmi, and thank you, everybody. Hope this presentation will help you all to implement the mixed reality in the field of social science. Thank you so much.